Hello, hello, hello. Let's go.
Deze is de kant achter de zit. En die stoel zit te ver. En dan kan je binnen op elkaar zitten.
Precies hoor.
Geef mij even die precies.
You gonna press play?
Iets vijf.
Jy wil altyd op die voet iets wat, want dis elke keer iets anders op die voet.
Dat zijn.
Wow! Ja, raar.
Dan.
Kyk hierdie super lelike ding. Dis mooi groot geword.
Ja, hy het nou wag. Hy slaap buite, sy wil nie meer binne wees nie.
Dis mooi dit groot geword. Ja. Dit sit in baie dinge so goed gewees. Dit
Ja.
is al nou al. Dis groot geword.
Wag, sy wil buite toe, sy wil nie in nie.
Let's go. Gonna press this one. You see the map at the map. You're gonna jump. Gonna run it. You're gonna see there's the blue. You're gonna go.
Ja,
Let's go.
nee, dis lelike goed. Dis baie. Ja, nee, dis baie.
Okay, you're gonna see it doesn't matter if you die your first 2 times. The purpose of the game is you must disengage.
Kijk.
Ja, baie so. Hele ander gesigte sak.
I'm gonna die my first few rounds to just show you. You cannot put that stuff up. You can, and you don't want to do that. You're gonna run. You're gonna see there's someone in front.
Zo is het.
Wie is jou parkie?
See, I died. 3 minutes. It took me 3 minutes to play the game. And I'm 26. 6th place.
Site oefening. Tijd. Nou.
You see now it's gonna show the screen. Now you're going to do your next match. Either if you shoot somebody, there's gonna be a crown or not a crown. If you pick up the crown that you win, you're gonna be a crown victory. This screen is about to show for a minute and a half. You see now you can fight or you cannot fight, but it doesn't have to because you're not gonna win anything. Like I said, here you go. That line in the ocean, that's the storm. You must try not to go to that storm, or otherwise you'll be dead. You're gonna die and you're not gonna win the victory. You're not gonna win anything because you're dead. You cannot win anything. Blaze places to shot is on a rooftop. See somebody shooting on me now? I will shoot. I will just jump on this. I'm gonna put shields. There you go, now you have shield. Now you can basically do anything until that shield is empty. Then you see I only have 2 shields. We're just gonna jump here. I'm gonna open the door.
Staan. Pretty toy.
Ek is so klein. Nou, jou.
Hier is het klein. Ja, mooi. Ah.
You should never go to this thing. This thing right here is trouble. I'm gonna shoot now. I accidentally am falling from the sky. You should never go through that thing. You're gonna die. And you should now. You see the storm is circling. So I have about 4 to 5 seconds, or about a minute. Kill that guy. We zitten zo af of wat? Nou, maak gebouwd. Beginnen matchen. We gaan bij me die kipje.
Wat is al gat tussen vrouwenmensen?
You can jump here. I don't recommend it, but you can. There's gonna be a lot of stuff around, guys. You can pick it up or you cannot pick it up. Personally, if you have this, you can pick it up. You can give away some of your stuff. Oh no, I think you shoot me. I'm placed first. That's good, but I would recommend you try to go better. You can start like 20th place, 30th place, you can go. If you die first, it's not a problem. You can go like further and further and further. You can go up and up and up. Till your first place.
En asseblief kyk op die informasie hier spoor. Nie kyk op denke kinders.
Hier is een van mijn vrienden wat in die school, wat in mijn school is wat hij van Sandwich. Hij gaat ook naar Afrikaans toe.
As jy sien hy kind praat kap en hy wil die doen. Get pad van hom af.
Los hom